Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can stake CRO or any other cryptocurrency on your crypto.com application. So stay tuned. So you log into your crypto.com app, then you go to accounts. There you see crypto wallet, staking, crypto earn, fiat wallet. So then you go to staking. Then you see my portfolio or discover. You click on discover if you haven't staked the CRO coins yet. If not, I'll show you an easier way next time you want to stake some more CROs in a minute. So you go to discover, you search for CRO, so you click on stake, you enter your staking amount. So I currently have 161 CROs that I received from my staking. So to be easy, I click on max. So that's my available balance. Then you see the rewards. You click on done. Then you agree to the staking terms and conditions and privacy notice. So confirm stake. It's gonna ask you to enter your passcode again. And voila! As you can see, the stake is activating. So you will earn more and more and more CRO, which is great. This is an extra passive income, guys. So you bought some cryptocurrency. When you stake it, you receive more of that cryptocurrency. So that is very cool. So staking, I go back to my accounts. Then you can go to my portfolio and there you will see CRO, what you staked. So you click on CRO. So and the next time you want to stake some more CRO, if you currently have already some staked CRO, you just click on stake more. Boom! So next time, if you already have staked coins, if you want to stake more of those coins, you receive them. You receive them anyway because you're staking. So then you just go to my portfolio and boom, stake more. That's how easy it is. It's really cool, and every now and then I check to see if I can stake some more. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, so that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. So if you're interested in the CRO.com app and you haven't registered yet, I have some good news for you. You can get some free money when you register with my referral link in the video description. So if you just download the app without the referral link, you will get zero. So make sure to use a referral link if you haven't registered yet on the CRO.com application. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really like it. I enjoy it, so I can make some more videos. It gives me a lot of motivation. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. Feel free to share your thoughts and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and tricks. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel. I wish you all a great day. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.